Hi, my name is Meng, and today I'm making some French cleat hangers. Then this can help inspire you to put a twist on your own hangers. If you're new to the channel or share interest on the subject, please subscribe to my channel. Now let's get busy. I had cut down 3 11-inch 2x4s in half for the legs. Here I cut 2 half-inch plywood to 7-inch width. This size would depend on how tall you want your hangers. 7-inch works best for me, and also it's the max size of my square. Each French cleat hanger is made up of a pair of side brackets, so I marked the board with a square to prep. Next, I cut them down to 7-inch squares, then I rotated them 45 degrees to cut them in half. I just eyeballed them here and I got as close as I could to mirror each other. If they're slightly off, don't worry, just put them back to back and mark the one that's off and run it through the table saw again. Next, I cut strips as spacers to hold and keep the integrity of the brackets in place. So it's sort of already coming together. The length of the spacer is the full height of the bottom side of the leg to the bottom of the bracket. I just marked where I needed and made sure to cut the edge at a 45 to meet the bracket at the same cut plane. For the hook, I'm using existing stock from my previous French Cleat Wall build. If you're interested on how I assemble my full French Cleat Wall, click on the link in the upper right hand corner or in the description. Now back to the hook. It's made up of a half-inch plywood at a 2-inch width with a 45-degree edge. The length of the hook measures combined width of the leg and the brackets together. Now that you have all the pieces, now it's time to mock up the assembly. Make sure to orient the leg up on the flat side you previously cut, so it has flat mating surfaces on the top. Once assembled with glue, square it and then tack them down with a nail gun just to hold them in place. Next, I drilled wood screws to hold them together. Using the same process, I assembled 5 more hangers and then I let them dry overnight. So I used this very same design mechanic on my other French cleat hangers. I hope this gives you guys ideas on creating your own special hanger, whether it be for tools, accessories, or adding shelf space again. I appreciate it if you made it this far in the video. Please give me a like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Again, don't forget to watch my full French cleat wall build if you're interested in building a wall system of your own. What modularity do you want to see me add next to my French cleat wall system? Comment below on your thoughts, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya!
Just let me fall to my grave. Just let me fall to my grave. Look you. Just let me fall to my